unprepared and paralyzed by the snowstorm that's still wreaking havoc in the DMV.
Some people were fishtailing all over the place, but all in all, we got home safe.
7 on your side monitoring dicey conditions on the roads right now as school delays pile up. Plus, a 7 on your side investigation.
That's 11 options no longer on the table for treating that infection.
Superbugs in our food? What our I-team uncovered as we received breaking news from the CDC. One outbreak doubles tonight.
Now, ABC 7 News at 11. On your side.
Oh, it was an absolute nightmare on 270 and 70 through Montgomery County and Frederick.
What a mess. The DMV got hit with the worst of this November nor'easter.
Delays and closings coming in now. Fairfax, Prince William, Loudoun, Manassas. They start 2 hours late Friday, but you go further west, and we're already talking closures.
So if you didn't hear your school, you can follow the ticker below or open the Stormwatch 7 weather app. Our team coverage, though, begins right now as winter storm warnings extend into the overnight.
Let's go right to Stormwatch 7 Chief Meteorologist Bill Kelly with the dangerous weather that is still out there. Bill?
Yeah, we are seeing it all over our region. The good news is we have about 3 hours left, maybe 4, until this gets out of our area. But the color-enhanced Doppler showing you green is rain. We have the blue that is the snow, and the pink, which is pretty widespread around the area, is that mix, that sleet, that freezing rain. We had some rain showers earlier around Anne Arundel and Prince George's County. Those have moved on out, but our focus is still back here into sections of Loudoun County, up into Frederick, back to Washington. These are where we've had our biggest totals back into the Panhandle region. Some spots like Martinsburg, you guys have had 9 inches of snowfall. A very, very active day out there today. Still that winter storm warning. That's in effect. The shades of pink. This is up until 4 o'clock in the morning. Some of these lingering winter weather advisories technically expire at midnight. It is windy, very cold. Coming up, we're going to be talking about the specifics as to when it ends and what happens beyond this in terms of a deep freeze or a warm up. We'll see you back here in just a few minutes.
Bill, we'll see you then. Thanks. And as the snow started winding down, the wind really started whipping up. Take a look at this. A tree splitting this Bethesda home in two. Now, the family in this home on the 5800 block of Osceola Road, amazingly, were not hurt.
Wow, so lucky there. A fire truck, several big rigs, even four-wheel drive cars and SUVs, no match for this winter storm. As the snow piled up, conditions got worse. And tonight in Maryland, during the evening rush, more than 200 wrecks, spinouts, and stalls. Virginia State Police reporting Loudoun was one of the worst areas today. About 200 trucks needed help.
Storm Track 7 was deployed, monitoring conditions tonight, rapidly deteriorating north and west, just as Bill had expected. Our Heather Graff has been monitoring the roads all day. She continues our team coverage now from Interstate 270. Heather?
Well, Jonathan, we spent a lot of time today on I-270 and I-70 as well, so let's show you our current view. This is 270. You can see we have the windshield wipers going. The interstate still slick in some places. We have seen some freezing rain over the last few hours, and now drivers still recovering from that rough evening commute are already worrying about tomorrow morning. Digging out after this blast of winter was no easy task.
It's been a bear getting all this snow off of all these cars.
But here in Frederick,
yeah, gotta make a path for people to walk.
Joe Gillette and his neighbors will tell you the most difficult part of their day was driving.
Well, my boss left work about 40 minutes before me, and he called me from 70 and said, it's a complete stop. The car in front of me is turned sideways. Don't take 70, go home now.
His boss smart to warn him about the icy conditions that brought traffic to a standstill on Interstate 70. By 3 p.m., Maryland State Police had already responded to more than 300 crashes across the state. And by nightfall, the backups weren't much better.
Some people were fishtailing all over the place, but all in all, we got home safe.
The first snowfall of the season, full of surprises.
Yeah, I was caught off guard.
And perhaps a sign that this year, Joe might need his shovel more often.
I'm ready for a snowy winter.
All right, so Joe ready for a snowy winter, but I'm not sure all of his neighbors agree with him. A lot of people told us they are still wondering what happened to fall. You're live tonight in Storm Track 7. Heather Graff, ABC 7 News.
Ah! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Speaking of fall, a tree crashing down in New York, the storm hitting much harder than they had prepared, and right now in the middle of the rush, so many crashes you could actually get out and walk the entire length of the George Washington Bridge.
And then watch this. This is in the St. Louis area. Whoa, right there. That car spinning out of control, almost running right into oncoming traffic. Snow totals in the double digits there today.
Stay with ABC 7 as we track this November nor'easter. If you have to step away, no problem. Just download the Stormwatch 7 app for live radar and instant updates on school closures and delays.
Tonight, a D.C. crosswalk lined with empty shoes representing the men and women hit and killed by cars just this year. Family and friends of the victims marching to demand something be done to improve pedestrian safety. Annalisa Gale covering D.C. with their demands. Annalisa?
Allison, that walk ended right here on Pennsylvania Avenue, just in front of the Wilson building, where organizers are hoping that city leaders will be able to make the necessary changes to save a life.
Killed March 2nd, 2018.
Holding empty shoes, nearly 24 residents walked down 13th Street despite the messy weather. They then paused in the middle of Pennsylvania Avenue to read off the names of the 10 pedestrians killed in D.C. this year.
And tonight I'm walking for a friend of mine that I lost, Carol Thomason, who's a good family friend, and a month ago was killed at an intersection.
Marcelina Yanez was age 84. She was killed.
Monica Morin fully understands the struggles that pedestrians and cyclists face on D.C. roads. She says she was biking home from work recently when she was struck by a SUV.
Sent me flying into the crosswalk.
Morin, like others, are pushing for changes that could protect everyone.
I would like to ban right turn on red, definitely. I would like to see enforced speed limits with more speed cameras.
Councilmember Charles Allen has heard the cries. He's working on legislation that he hopes will take the city on the path to life-saving solutions.
Everything from trying to ban right on reds around our schools, reduce the speed limit on our residential streets. We have a long way to go.
And factoring in all car accidents, so far this year there have been 31 traffic fatalities here in the district. That's slightly higher than last year. Live in the district tonight, Annalisa Gale, ABC 7 News.
Annalisa, thank you. Prince George's County Police fanning out around College Park looking for this man you see on your screen. They say he's a peeping Tom who's targeted the same home at least half a dozen times on Hopkins Avenue. At one point, just walking right in the house. UMD students live in that off-campus house. Call police if you see him.
Well, right now, police are searching for the man who threatened a store clerk during a robbery in Northwest. Now, it all happened in the 6400 block of Georgia Avenue right near Piney Branch Road. Police are releasing the surveillance video, and you can see the guy walk in, talk to the clerk, and then show his gun. He then walks behind the counter, grabs cash before casually strolling out of the store. And tonight, a notorious gang member facing decades in prison, convicted this week, all thanks in part to security cameras in Wheaton. But the person who ultimately placed him at the scene of the crime was himself. Tom Rousey now with a story you'll see only on 7.
This moment could send 20-year-old gang member Anthony Jeffries Jr. to prison for years. He demands a young victim's backpack, steals it, then hits the victim with what looked like a gun.
A replica that, quite frankly, in the dark, would strike anybody as a real pistol.
Ramon Korianoff with the Montgomery County State's Attorney's Office says getting a conviction was easier thanks to cameras that tracked Jeffrey's movements the whole night. Early that February evening, he's seen at the Wheaton Mall JCPenney, where the security camera follows him. A few hours later, the victim gets off the Wheaton Metro. He recognizes Jeffrey's juvenile accomplice from middle school. The two walk out together, and Jeffries follows. The accomplice tries to sell the victim a shirt stolen from Penny's. Then Jeffries robs him. It wasn't just security video that helped capture Jeffries. He helped.
Posted an Instagram message just minutes before committing the crime that he was in Wheaton.
Jeffries is in the Hit Squad gang, which has been linked to other robberies and even murders.
Hit Squad is rampant. They're everywhere from Germantown down to Wheaton.
Here at the Circuit Courthouse, Jeffries was convicted of robbery and conspiracy to commit robbery. He's facing a maximum of 30 years in prison. His sentencing is just before Christmas. Reporting in Rockville, Tom Rousey, ABC 7 News.
Tonight, the death toll rises in California, and Paradise residents are wondering why they didn't have more time to evacuate. People who live there describe their escape as panicked. The mayor admits they weren't ready for how fast that camp fire was moving. Tonight, The death toll for the wildfires raised to 63, with more than 630 people unaccounted for. It is now 40% contained.
Well, people around the country opened their hearts and their wallets only to find out they contributed to a scam. A New Jersey couple created a GoFundMe account to help a homeless man they claimed gave his last $20 to help her with car trouble. That account eventually grew to $400,000. And now everyone involved is facing criminal charges.
She did not run out of gas on an I-95 off-ramp, and he did not spend his last $20 to help her. Rather, D'Amico, McClure, and Bobbitt conspired to pass off a fake, feel-good story that would compel donors to contribute to their cause.
Generous people helped. GoFundMe now already promising donors full refunds. That prosecutor says if all three involved didn't start arguing over the money, they may have gotten away with it.
Wow. Well, coming up next here on ABC 7 News at 11, a 7 on Your Side I-Team investigation. The supermarket superbug warning.
So the chances of you buying a product that is contaminated with drug-resistant bacteria is very high.
The contamination rate this 7 on Your Side investigation uncovered.
And a breaking health alert for you, a salmonella outbreak doubling in illnesses. The food you need to throw out tonight.
And good evening, everybody. Before you make your way out the door tomorrow, a couple things. It's going to be a little bit of a different day. I think, yes, you can grab your sunglasses. No, you do not need the umbrella. I'd get the heavy jacket outside. You won't need it all day. We're going to break down the specifics for you as we approach your weekend coming up in just a few minutes.
Everyone's talking about Kimmel. They said he's the most important host in late night.
Really?
They said he's late night's clearest voice.
They said I was extremely well endowed. Oh, no one said that?
Jimmy Kimmel Live, weeknights on ABC.
Plus 750 bonus cash on select models.
Listen. To relieve anxiety and insomnia, 7 on Your Side explores the strange and fascinating phenomenon of ASMR. Friday at 6:30 on ABC 7's Good Morning Washington. In 1984, he was almost crushed to death by a motorized gym wall.
All of a sudden, I'm laying on the gym floor.
In May, a local student was killed by one. So after 30 years, why haven't safety requirements changed? 7 on Your Side, Monday at 6.
It seems like every week you hear about bacterial outbreaks like salmonella and E. coli, prompting recalls on your favorite products.
Yeah, but now those recalls could be getting even more serious with the rise of antibiotic-resistant bacteria on grocery store meat.
Senior investigative reporter Lisa Fletcher with how easy it is to expose yourself and your family to bacteria that can render antibiotics useless.
Good shot. Can you wash your hands, Kyra?
Dinner time in a typical American home. The sizzling sound of chicken cooking on the stove. But does this family know what's on the meat?
So the chances of you buying a product that is contaminated with drug-resistant bacteria is very high.
You've heard about salmonella and E. coli, but this is more than that. A surprising number of dangerous antibiotic-resistant versions of those bacteria live on grocery store meat. It's estimated that 70% of America's antibiotics are fed to animals in the food supply. Dr. Lance Price directs George Washington University's Antibiotic Resistance Action Center.
We raise 9 billion animals to be slaughtered and made into meat. When we give them low doses of antibiotics on a routine basis, we're just fueling the growth of bacteria, drug-resistant bacteria that can spread among those animals, and then they get distributed to every grocery store in the country.
So we wondered how easy it would be for us to find antibiotic-resistant bacteria on meat. Turns out, very easy. We bought 24 samples of poultry from 4 major national retailers, ranging from chicken breasts and ground chicken to ground turkey, turkey burgers, and drumsticks. We tested for antibiotic resistance to the 4 most common bacteria to cause foodborne illness: E. coli, salmonella, staph, and campylobacter. 2 weeks later, the results were in.
These are just big Petri dishes, and each of these little round discs here is an antibiotic, basically.
A clear circle around the antibiotic disc means it's working. Bacteria that grows right up to it means it's not.
In one of your samples, we found an E. coli that was resistant to 11 different antibiotics, right? So that's 11 options no longer on the table for treating that infection.
Including drugs the World Health Organization considers to be some of the most important on the planet, like amoxicillin,
Cipro, and tetracycline, all rendered useless in some of our tests. In total, 88% of our samples harbored antibiotic-resistant bacteria. And the lab found more that we didn't expect.
On 3 of the turkey samples, we found MRSA